All right, today we are gonna check out and unbox the Dewenwils retractable 50-foot extension cord here. I am super excited about having one of these on the side of my house. I feel like hose bibs and electrical outlets, you just can't have enough of around your house. So the first thing you notice is it is a very good quality. It's not plasticky. I mean, it's plastic, but it's not a cheap plastic. It's a durable one. It feels like one that could weather the elements. I'm here in Florida, so rain, sun are absolutely going to beat this up. Overall, I'm really liking what I'm seeing. It's a very slim design. Looks like we've got a stopper here to prevent it from going back any further. Comes with 3 outlets, all of which are grounded, so that's nice. Excellent for holiday lights, Christmas lights. Plug it in TVs. Feels like a steel or metal bracket that we'll be able to bolt right to the wall, or to a metal post, or to a wood post. Ooh. And we've got power, folks. Here we've got it all set up and installed, and I wanted it somewhere discreet, so I kind of hid it behind our podocarpus here. I've got an outlet right by our electrical panel, so we make sure that we've got plenty of power to it at all times. Anytime I want, we'll be able to plug it in. And then this is so easy to use. It locks. It's got a self-locking mechanism so that you can pull and leave it. And then similarly to a seat belt, to release it, all you're going to do is pull it, and then it'll retract. It can swivel, so we've got it with the ability to go that direction or this direction. So overall, it's just a really good quality product. I ended up foregoing the expansion bolts that they gave me and just put some tapcons in, which seemed to be a little bit easier. It was a little difficult getting to with the bushes and the branches right here, but I mean, look at this. Is that not awesome that we can hide this here? And my wife won't get mad at me for not putting everything away. Really, really awesome product, and I definitely recommend it. So let's try going out 50 feet here. Pull is nice and smooth. And we are there. And we can lock it. And that's about 50 feet. Excellent. I am really excited about this. So now when we want it to retract, simply give it a little pull and walk it back. Now it does have quite a bit of tension pulling it back here. So I wouldn't just let it go, because it was probably going to slam into the box, but